Hello everyone, my name is Adonis Kalavrezos. I'm an illustrator and concept artist from Greece, and in this video I will share why I believe drawing is the most important skill in art. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up, this one habit can transform your art faster than anything else. Let's dive in. What if you could practice your craft 10 times faster? Drawing is quick. You don't need expensive materials, complex setups, or hours of effort. With just a pencil and paper, you can create dozens of sketches in a single session. You don't get distracted by color theory, edge control, or brushstrokes. Instead, you can focus on communicating a story through the bare minimum, lines. This simplicity forces you to think actively. As they say, limitation is the mother of creativity. When you draw, you're not just copying what you see, you're stylizing it. You're breaking down complex objects into simple shapes and lines. This process happens because lines do not exist in reality. They're just a tool we use to represent what we experience in the real world. Each line you place has to matter. It needs to communicate perspective, volume, texture, and more with just a few strokes. This limitation demands clarity and intentionality, pushing you to think critically and creatively. Since we are talking about drawing as the foundation of art, I want to mention something that complements it perfectly: my custom brushbacks for Clip Studio Paint. These include not only drawing brushes, but also painting brushes to help you transition smoothly from sketching to fully rendered artwork. They're designed to simplify your process while giving you the tools to experiment and grow. If you are interested, you will find a link in the description below. Now, let's get back to it. Drawing forces you to think in 3 dimensions. You start to see how simple volumes like cylinders or spheres can transform into real-life objects. Overlaps become your ally, enhancing the sense of depth and structure, while laying the groundwork for successful compositions. By understanding the basics of form, you also gain the freedom to distort, exaggerate, and stylize them to fit your artistic voice. A practical tip: make drawing basic 3D shapes part of your daily warm-up. Even dedicating just 10 minutes a day to this exercise will yield significant improvements over time, sharpening your understanding and control over form. Drawing strips away all distractions, no color, no fancy effects, forcing you to work with the bare minimum and make it look cohesive and dynamic. It's just you and the lines. If there's a problem, it's right there, staring back at you. You cannot ignore it. This raw honesty accelerates your learning because you can't just hide behind beautiful brushwork, textures, lost edges, or atmospheric perspective. Your knowledge and limitations are fully exposed, and that's exactly what makes you improve faster. Last but not least, when you analyze the work of master artists, you will notice one common thread. Their mastery of fundamental drawing skills guides everything they do. Whether you admire classic painters or modern illustrators, their remarkable artworks are built upon strong, confident drawing skills. Their sketches and line work reveal how their understanding of form, structure, and composition shapes their final masterpieces. If you want to reach that level, you need to master the basics first. Drawing isn't just about putting lines on paper. It's the foundation upon which every great artist builds their craft. To sum up, drawing is the fastest and simplest way to practice, a powerful method to simplify reality, and the best tool to understand forms and 3-dimensional shapes. It exposes your mistakes honestly and forms the foundation that every master artist builds upon. So, grab a pencil and start sketching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.